This is Ganesh. Today I will be explaining you about domestic income and national income. I will also tell you how to calculate domestic income and national income from different aggregates, and I will also give you some useful tips which will help you to calculate these values. First of all, I will explain you about what is domestic income. This domestic income is a territorial concept. It is related to domestic territory of the country. So, domestic income means it is the net value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. So, here two things are very important. That is, one thing is all goods and services produced within the domestic territory. Within the domestic territory means within the country, and during a period of 1 year. Period of 1 year means that is period of 12 months. So, as I told you, domestic income is a territorial concept, and it is calculated for a period of 1 year. It is denoted by NDPFC, that is net domestic product at factor cost. You have to learn these aggregates very well. So NDPFC means that is the net domestic product at factor cost. Then how to find this NDPFC from GDP-MP? That is what I told here. So NDPFC is equal to, that is domestic income is equal to gross domestic product at market price minus net indirect taxes minus subsidies, minus depreciation. So that is GDP-MP minus net indirect taxes minus depreciation. At the end of this video, I have given some valuable tips to you how to find factor cost, how to find market price, how to find net from gross. Those things will help you to understand these definitions more clearly. So NDPFC, that is domestic income, is equal to gross domestic product at market price minus net indirect taxes minus depreciation. So net indirect taxes, I already told you in my previous videos. Net indirect taxes means that is indirect taxes minus subsidies. This net indirect taxes is represented by NIT. So I hope you got the formula. Now we come to national income. Now this national income is a national concept, as it includes the value of final goods and services produced in the entire world. Here we are not taking only the domestic territory, but we are including the entire world. You see, I have written here, national income is the net money value of all goods and services produced by the normal residents of a country during a period of 1 year. It is denoted by NNPFC, that is net national product at factor cost. This net national product at factor cost is known as national income. So here all the goods and services produced by the normal residents during a period of 1 year. So normal residents means people those are living within our country, plus our people those are living in other countries, they also come under your normal residents. Now let us see how to calculate domestic income, that is NDPFC, from GDP-MP. So here I wrote the formula, you just see. NDPFC is equal to GDP-MP minus NIT minus depreciation. So that is net domestic product at factor cost. So that is NDPFC means domestic income. So how we are calculating domestic income? GDP-MP, that is gross domestic product at market price, minus NIT. NIT means that is indirect taxes minus subsidies. If both indirect taxes and subsidies are given, then you will calculate NIT as your indirect taxes minus subsidies. If NIT is calculated and given the question, you will directly subtract NIT from GDP-MP. So GDP-MP minus NIT minus depreciation. When you are subtracting NIT from GDP-MP, you are getting FC. MP is converted into FC. After that, when you are subtracting depreciation from GDP, that G will be converted into N. that is gross is converted into net. So we are calculating NDPFC is equal to GDPMP minus NIT minus depreciation. Now we will see how to calculate GDPMP from NDPFC. The reverse is happening here. If you are asked to calculate GDPMP and if NDPFC is given, then what you will do? GDPMP is equal to NDPFC plus NIT plus depreciation, or we can say that is NDPFC plus indirect taxes minus subsidies. I hope you are seeing this formula, see it very carefully. That cannot be changed, I already told you while explaining NIT. So that will be indirect taxes minus subsidies. So NDPFC plus NIT plus depreciation. When these values are added, you will be getting GDPMP. Now when you are adding NIT, that is indirect taxes minus subsidies, to NDPFC, that FC is converted into MP. When you are adding depreciation to net domestic product, the net will be converted into gross. Now let us see how to calculate national income from GDPMP. National income is NNPFC. How to calculate NNPFC from GDPMP? You see the formula here what I have mentioned. That is NNPFC is equal to GDPMP minus NIT minus depreciation plus NFIA. So here national income is equal to, that is NNPFC is equal to gross domestic product at market price minus NIT. So when you are doing minus NIT, that is converted into FC, minus depreciation, so that GDP is converted into N, that is net, gross is converted into net, plus NFIA. When NFIA is added to domestic, we will get national. So in this way, NNPFC is equal to GDPMP minus NIT minus depreciation plus NFIA. You will get national income, that is NNPFC. Then how to calculate the reverse of this? How to calculate GDPMP from NNPFC? So when we come to this, GDPMP is equal to, you can see NNPFC, whatever we were subtracting above will be added, but that will be added to what? NNPFC. So here you see NNPFC plus NIT plus depreciation minus NFIA. The operations are happening in a opposite way, reverse way. That is, whatever we have subtracted above is added here, and whatever we have added in the above is subtracted here. So once again I sell the formula, that is GDPMP is equal to NNPFC, that is national income plus net indirect taxes plus depreciation minus NFIA. When you are adding NIT to factor cost, that will become market price. When you are adding depreciation to net, that is becoming gross. When you are subtracting net factor income from abroad to the national, that will become domestic. So in this way we calculate GDPMP from national income. Here I have provided you certain things. These things are very important. If you practice this and if you remember this, the calculations will become very easy for you. So here you see, first thing what I told is gross minus depreciation will be always net. The reverse will happen. If you are adding depreciation to net, you will get gross. Then when you add NFIA to domestic, you will get national. You see there, domestic plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad, you will get national. So national will be always more than domestic. We cannot say if NFIA is negative, then the different may also happen. But in most of the cases, national will be more than domestic because we are adding NFIA. So domestic plus NFIA is equal to national. Then the opposite of it will happen. When we subtract NFI from national, we will get domestic. Then you can see market price minus NIT, that is market price minus net indirect taxes, that will give you factor cost. In the same way, when you are adding this NIT to factor cost, you will get market price. These things you practice and you learn. This will help you to calculate the aggregates easily.